In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set volume-based alerts in TradingView. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, having alerts for volume changes can be crucial in effectively managing your trades. TradingView makes this process seamless, allowing you to customize alerts to suit your trading strategy. To kick things off, you'll want to head on over to your TradingView account and access the chart of the financial instrument you're working with. This is where you'll set everything up, so getting comfortable with navigating the chart section is crucial. Once you have your chart in view, your next step is to locate the Indicators button. This is typically found at the top of the screen along the menu bar. Click it, and a search bar should appear along with a list of indicators you can use. Now, in this list, you'll want to search for up-down volume or any other volume-based indicator that meets your needs. This choice largely depends on your personal trading strategy, so feel free to experiment with different indicators to find what works best for you. Clicking on your chosen indicator will add it to your chart, where it will begin to track incoming data. With your indicator set up, it's time to add an alert, which is a feature that truly sets TradingView apart by ensuring you're always aware of the market's movements. Look for the alert button, usually symbolized by an alarm clock icon. Clicking this will take you to the alert configuration screen. Here's the pivotal step. You need to specify how you want to be alerted regarding volume changes. You'll see the name of the indicator you selected, such as UpDN Vol 1, listed among options. Choose this indicator to tie your alert to it. This way the alert knows to look at the volume data from the indicator you've selected. Finally, you're ready to create your alert. Find the Create button, which solidifies all the configurations you've made. Once you click it, your volume-based alert will be active. This means that, based on the criteria you've set, you'll receive notifications when certain volume thresholds are met. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up volume-based alerts in TradingView. Remember, having the right alerts can significantly impact your trading efficiency, helping you stay on top of market shifts without constantly monitoring the charts. Experiment with various configurations until you find a setup that aligns with your trading objectives. As always, thorough analysis and continual adjustments can maximize your trading strategy's success. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.